my experience here has been amazing, and I'm really happy with how far he's come, and I know it's just going to keep getting better. When this all started and Colton started to have some headaches, we couldn't figure out what that was about until he had a pretty bad seizure in my car on the way home, and he quit breathing. And so I called 911 and they came and got him. And at some point between them getting him to the hospital and then them coming to talk to me, they had to completely sedate him and intubate him since he was no longer able to breathe on his own. And at that point, they transferred him because they had found in a CT scan some blood in his brain. When it was time for him to move from the intensive care unit, we needed to get him into a long-term care facility since he was still on the breathing tubes. And Inspire was the only place that would accept him. And so they took him in and within a week got him off of the breathing tubes and breathing and speaking on his own.
I had an aneurysm, and it was a bad injury. Most people don't survive. And I'm thankful that these people protected me and they saved my life.
I was really scared when I got here. And since I've been here, I've felt a lot more peace and comfort. And I'm really happy with how far he's come. And he's done tremendous things. I was about 7 months pregnant. We were expecting our fourth baby. When I went into labor, there were several nurses that called me and let him talk to me on their phones just so he could calm down and know that I was safe and okay. So there's a lot of really good people here that have gone above and beyond to cheer in.
These people they're really all hard workers. From what I've seen, everybody here really cares about their job. They care about doing it right.
Just to come here and every day that I see him and every day I come back, he's doing more and more things, and he's able to use his hands better every single day. Every little bit he's getting better is wonderful. I couldn't have asked for more, and we're really just thankful. We really couldn't be more happy with what you guys have done for him.
I'd like to thank everyone here who helped me. There's so many people here that are amazing. And honestly, it's just wonderful to be helped.